I made this video. 2004 Honda Accord has multiple engine misfire codes and found out the EGR ports are clogged, causing this, and this is one way that I wanted to show that you could test if your Honda does have that misfire with the EGR. And I made this video, but I didn't say make sure you put your foot on the brake and maybe put some wheel chocks, and you're having someone else do this while you're doing this test. So someone's sitting in the driver's seat, got their foot on the brake, and then when you tell them, and then they give it throttle up to about 1500 RPMs, and then you can see that misfire. So make sure you do this safely. Apply the foot brake with your left foot, throttle up with your right. Apply the park brake, any kind of safety measures you must take to make sure you just don't drive this thing through the garage door. So here we go. 2003 Honda Accord, similar 04, 05, even maybe 06 and 07 Honda Accords with the 4-cylinder VTEC engine with multiple misfire engine codes. I've looked all over the place, and this is what I've found so far. If you rev up the engine in drive, the car is in drive right now. I'm going to rev the engine up while it's in drive to about 1500 RPM. I'm going to see the mess. Alright, now let's unplug this EGR. Now that EGR is unplugged. And try it again. No mess at 1500. So that's probably what the problem is. So if you look right here, this plate right here with about 6-7 bolts across, that's the EGR ports. And I'm going to put a link in the bottom there to that shows a video of a guy cleaning those ports out. I cleaned those ports out, and that engine mess finally went away. So good luck.